Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO T2 Pro and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's start with entering the settings. Then we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's tap on Backup and Restore and tap on Backup Data, because as you can see we've got only the Google server. And a quick disclaimer. This works only if you've got the Google account currently added to the device. If not, you will have to do it right now, so simply add the account or sign up. If you want to learn more about how to add the Google account to the device, simply check our tutorial. I've just recorded it. So let's tap on Backup Data and we will be transferred to this section. Here you can check the amount of space you've got left on your on your backup account. Here we've got the backup details, so what has already been backed up, the backup using mobile or metered Wi-Fi data. To be honest, I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so you will be sure that you will not be charged for accessing the limit of your mobile data. To finish everything, to actually enable the backup to the Google account, simply tap on Backup Now, and right now your device is backing up the data. So remember, check our tutorial of how to add the Google account to the device and then come back here to actually finish the backup. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.